In this lesson, we're going to learn to draw the teres major, which might not seem like an important muscle at first, but it wouldn't be in this course if it weren't worth learning. So the origin points are here on the scapula, so the bottom point of the scapula there, or the bottom triangle of scapula. And just like the latissimus dorsi, it wraps around to the front of the bone. In fact, it connects to the same part of the bone, the front part. So this is the back side. Right now we're looking at the back side of the humerus bone. It wraps around and connects to the front side. Now I've shaded this in to show it's on the front side. So we technically wouldn't see this portion right here. And the latissimus dorsi actually connects right on top of this. So they both form a similar bump like that. So you can see that goes into the front. I just want to show that it does connect, but it connects to the front of the bone. There's the basic shape. And sometimes this muscle can bulge up and bulk right here. So when you flex your back muscles, this is one of the muscles that will bulge and flex. It's one of those bumps that you will see in a very defined person. And I'm showing you here, just like all muscles, it has to get thinner. So notice I'm not just stretching it, I'm also thinning it out, right? As you can see there, and it's wrapping under the arm and is attaching up here to the front of the arm, which we can't see from the back view. And then I'm also going to show, this is where the infraspinatus goes. It actually takes up this whole entire section. It connects to the top ball part of the humerus bone. This is also another bump you can visibly see. Now just for future reference, one of the arms has two arms of the triceps attach here onto the humerus bone. The other one goes and attaches to the underside of the scapula, and it goes right between these muscles right here. So it goes between the teres major, and then it goes over the teres major and tucks under the infra, right? And there's another little muscle here too, the teres minor, which is a tiny little sliver we can see sometimes. But basically you can treat it all as one muscle with the infra, so it just it goes underneath both of those. And I'm going to show it on the other side here. Showing you where the connection points are and the cartilage, not cartilage, the tendons. And there you have it. So there's also this little triangle that gets created right here. And underneath this, there's the rhombus muscles, and they kind of go up at an angle like this. So it's good just to know that there is muscles underneath here that kind of fall in this direction. You don't really ever see them. You'll kind of see this triangle though when people are flexing. All right, so just showing you here from the front view. You can see it comes up and it stretches, it connects to the arm, comes back around and stretches right here to the front of the arm. And you can sometimes see this when we're drawing figures from different, all right, so that's the teres major. So you have the latissimus and then you have the teres major, right next to it. So it's kind of see them together as forming one form, but sometimes you can see a separation between them as well. Right, so there we go. That is the teres major.